There's one right there, guys. Morning.
Morning. What kind of fish is that?
That is a largemouth bass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is it eating?
Not really. They taste like mud.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So what do you do with it?
I just throw it back.
You throw it back?
Yep. Take a picture of it for memories and then let it go.
Oh.
Yep.
You put him back.
What was that?
You put him back.
Yep. Put them back. Let the kids catch them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. All right, guys. I don't think he's gonna help my tournament. I should just measure him anyway for the heck of it, but let's go ahead and set him down and let him go. And off he goes. Them true center sticks from Egg Zone are just simply amazing stick baits. The way they swim through the water. I wanted to know if I was going to eat that fish. Nope, sorry. So, all right, let me get all untangled here, and we'll be back. All right, we're back. Untangled. That was a good bass there. I didn't measure it. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to help. I need 2 over that 15-inch mark. So, something just hit that. But that was definitely that bass that I saw here earlier when I walked up. There's a fish. Nothing big. Little bass. Nothing humongous to brag about. Come on. Nice little one right there. Ooh, he's super skinny. You need to eat some more bluegills, big guy. All right. There we go. And a lizard. Heck yeah. That'll help my tournament. Ah, got him with that lizard. Heck yeah. Alright, cool. Let's get him measured up and we'll be right back. Alright guys, that bass definitely helps. I grew 1 inch on that one. So I'll knock out one of my 15-inch ones. So, alright guys, let's go ahead and let him go and see if we can get more. And there it takes off. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, we need some more like that. I can't believe I called that an old school lizard. Man, I haven't drug a lizard around a long time. So, anywho, let's get rigged here and get back out there. Spooked him or not. Oh, all right. Nothing fantastic, but it's a bass and on a lizard. That mint smells so good. Slippery little bugger. All right. Now you're done being a butthead. There he is right there. All right, let's let him go.